You may have watched my previous video where a dog was barking in the background. Well, this is her. Her name is Tiki. So we are doing the same thing that we did with Kai. I'm having her remain on place, and I'm adding in one variable at a time, slowly, gradually desensitizing her, rewarding calm behavior, which means she's not barking. So the first thing that I do is I open up the door. She doesn't move. Great. She stays on the place. She gets rewarded. After this variable, I will add in knocking on the wall, which sounds like a door. As long as she remains on place, she gets rewarded. The next variable, I add I'm coming, which is the voice. She gets rewarded for remaining calm and not barking. Next, I add the knock with the I'm coming